earn $3 on this website just to write Google reviews. Now, Google reviews are reviews that you drop within a minute or so. You earn $3 every minute you drop Google review on this particular website. Now, you do not need a capital to start writing on this website. You do not need a skill to start writing on this website. All I need you to do is to be a writer. And yes, I know I have a lot of writers on this website, and that is why I've brought you good news about this website where you can write your reviews every minute and earn $3. Now, before you think this is a scam, this is my account, this is my dashboard, this is my name right here. As you can see, this is my name right here. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing this particular website with you, and I'll be sharing with you another way that you can make money on this website. Well, that is if you stick with me till the end of this video. And it is not only Google reviews that you can drop on this website. And if I click on this account settings, you will earn up to like $50 just by being on this particular website. Now, when you come back to dashboard, you get to realize that it is not only Google reviews that you can do. You can also write Facebook review. Now, this is not a scam. Believe you me, I'll be showing you all the details, and I'll be explaining everything you need to write on this website, as long as you stick with me to the end of this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Side Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, this is Kemi of Side Hustle, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, love you as usual. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your family and friends. Now, this particular website will pay you for writing reviews. Now, this website is actually legit, where you get paid up to $3 for every review you write on this website. Now, let's go through this website and see what it says. See the potential earnings on this website. I am actually on this website, like I have showed you in the beginning of this video, and this website is paying, is legit. You can withdraw your earnings into your Payoneer account or into your PayPal account. Or if you do not have a PayPal account, no problem, you can use a Payoneer account. If at this point you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do hit the subscribe button. Like this video, it's very important. Like and share this video. That's all I ask for making this beautiful content for you, for researching and spending my whole time reviewing this website and bringing it to you guys. So it says, working with Rawazi is a pleasure for writers. When a company places an order, we match and assign the job to the most suitable review writer. You receive clear and comprehensive instruction. Now, this is very important. As a review writer, you have to follow the instruction to the letter. Like, there should be no mistake. And moreover, it is the type of review that this website will ask you to, that the instruction will say you should write, that you should write. Yes. Now, there are a lot of different types of reviews that you can meet. They can ask you to write a review on Google Play Store. Yes, Google Play Store, they pay app owners on their app. The more the good review you write, the better, and the more money those app makers or software developers actually get. So that is why they need to pay you to write the reviews on their app or write reviews about their website to get more ratings, so they can make more money, and in return you also will make your own fair share of the money. So it is a win-win thing. It is as simple as that. Now it says you receive clear and comprehensive instructions, which is quite true. The next thing here, it says you have practical steps to start writing reviews and getting paid. The first thing is you sign up, which I'll be sharing the link in the comment section. I'll be able to share the link in the description box, but it will be the first in the comment section. The link to where you can sign up, it will be the first in the comment section. So do well to click on the link if you want to sign up. So with that being said, there is no much. All you have to do is, if you have any question, go to their website, visit their FAQ sections, and ask your question. So what you're going to look into now is how to register. You click on this register, and you click on register as review writer. Once you click on the register as as a review writer, it will bring you to this portal or to this page. You have to include your first name, your last name. You input your email address. You input a username. Yes, put a username that is actually visible and a username that has numbers. The next thing is your phone number. On this phone number, you can actually change it to Nigeria here. When you click on it, you scroll down. If you're in Nigeria, you scroll down like this. Okay, let's go to MN. Yeah, there are African countries on this website. So when you scroll down, you see Nigeria here. You click on Nigeria, you input your phone number. It is just so that they will confirm your, details and all of that. If you're in Australia or Austria, you input it and you choose. If you're in the UK, you input it and you input your phone number. You input your password, you retype your password, you choose whether you're a male or female. Now you choose your date of birth. The next thing is your continent, especially if you're in Africa, you put Africa as your continent. Then you still come back here and select your country. Yes, you come back here and select your country. There are a lot of countries right here. Yes, so you come back here. If you're in Africa, there are a lot of African countries right here. You select Nigeria. Then you come to where it says states. Now, the state might not bring out your details. That is the truth. It might not bring out the details of the state you're signing up from. No problem. You can leave it like that. The city also won't bring out the city you are signing up from. I think it's only if you're signing up using a desktop you get to see those details. If you're using a mobile phone like me here, you can just overlook it. The next thing is you input your social media details. Yeah, maybe a Facebook page. You put your username, you put your profile link. If you have a Google account, you put your username and your profile link. If you have a Yelp account, your username and your profile link. If you have a TripAdvisor, you put your, I don't know if I pronounce this well, you put your username and your profile link. If you want to add more accounts, maybe like a TikTok account, an Instagram account, you click on this add more accounts and you click on agreeing to their terms. You click on this dot here, this box, you click on it. Yes, you click on this box here and you agree to the terms and condition of creating an account with them, and then you hit the register button. So like me here, I have an account already, so all I'll just need to do is to hit the login button and actually log into my account. Now this is my account here. The name of this website is called Reviews with a Z at the end. Reviews, REVIEWZERZ is Reviews. Now this is my full name, Anjorioluwa Kemi, and this is my account, and these are the available reviews that you can do anywhere you are in the world. You have 5 reviews to work on. Now once you're able to work on these reviews, you get new reviews. I think every 2 days. Yeah, is it every 2 days or every day? Yes, you get new reviews, more like every 2 days. And once you're able to do your reviews, the advertisers will actually approve it once they see what you have reviewed on either their website or their app store or wherever they ask you to review. Please do not put in your personal details. I always say this: any website that is asking you for your personal details, please do not put it in. You understand? You can always, opt out at any time. Now there are a lot of things to look at in this on this website. You can check their offers. They usually have offer walls. For now, there is no offer on my account for now. But as time goes on, you get offers where you get to get where you play games and get paid, where you reviews under games or you comment under games and other things like that. This is more like what your account settings should look like. Yes, you can always change your profile picture on your account. You can link other social media accounts on this particular account. Now you can check your payout details. This is where the Baba is. This this is the method of payment. You either input your PayPal email address or you input your Payoneer email address. Now if you're in Nigeria, I would advise you use a Payoneer account, which is, if you don't know how to create a Payoneer account, I have a video on this page on how to create a Payoneer account, or I'll create a recent video for you on how to create a Payoneer account. If you want me to create a recent video on how to create a Payoneer account, please do what, state it in the comment section. Let me know. If I'm able to get reasonable amount of comments, I will definitely create a Payoneer account video for you guys. So then you click on the save, then you check the security, you check the billing information. If you want to, put money into the account, then you can check your balance. So your balance, you have to have a minimum of $50 before you can withdraw. Now if you earn $3 on every review you do, definitely in no time you achieve your $50 goal. So with that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, we love you, and see you guys in another video. Thank you.